PCI certification is an annual audited certification program that is produced by the Powder Coating Institute.
PCI certification is a verification that our company is adhering to a third-party set of standards that are the best practices in the coating industry.
We came across the PCI certification, we thought this is something we have to have. It tells us what, as a coater, we have to measure up to, what we have to do good work. If we want to get better at powder coating, we have to avail ourselves to an outside authority.
PCI certification is tailor-fit for the powder coating industry.
Abital is ISO certified as well as PCI certified. What we find is that ISO is a generic quality management system and infrastructure for how to run your business, while PCI focuses with laser precision on your coating processes.
We viewed the audit preparation process as an opportunity to improve.
We had one contact person that worked with the auditor through the entire process, and it made it efficient for the audited process, but then it also was not a distraction to the rest of the operations.
It's really given a lot of the guys who are on the line doing the hard work reason to keep doing it. There's a sense of pride that we have achieved this. We promote certification every way we can. It's on our business cards, email signatures, it's on our delivery trucks.
For a coder to take a moment and allow someone else in their building to audit their entire process from start to finish and look for opportunities to improve areas of weakness or gaps in the system, I believe that it will benefit the coder no matter how large or small they are.
I think the whole industry benefits when more of us are producing products of a high quality.
If there's anyone that's considering certification, I would tell them to stop considering and just do it.
I would say absolutely do it.
If they want to make their business better, if they want to make their process better, if they want better finished products, don't wait any longer, just do it.